Kennametal is a great place to work wherein young minds and experienced minds, they come together. We brainstorm, we try to resolve it as soon as possible.
The team and the people with whom I work with are a mix of both experienced and the new generation. We get the opportunity for grooming and then train them for their future growth.
Because I'm a local idiot, it's always been a special for me because I used to roam around here. Every time I used to see Kennametal, it was a huge opportunity for me to come in here.
My team completed a major project ahead of the schedule, and it was incredibly rewarding because our hard work paid off, and we received recognition from our peers and also the customer.
We are a young team, all fun-loving people who are very highly skilled in their technical areas.
We regularly share ideas and collaboratively work together to make sure that we have a robust working procedures and a mutual success.
My team is a miniature of Kennametal's broader perspective of diversity, and that is where we are able to get innovative perspectives into different solutions.